How to make the right choice. Bible answers. In the Bible, there are many passages that help us understand how to make the right choices. These are not just specific rules but also principles that can be applied in various life situations. Let's examine the main biblical teachings on decision-making. Ask God for wisdom. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives generously to all without reproach, and it will be given him. When you don't know which choice to make, turn to God and ask for wisdom. He is ready to generously share it with everyone who seeks his guidance. Trust in God. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make straight your paths. Instead of relying solely on your own opinions or logic, trust in God and follow his direction. He knows the best path for your life. Consider the consequences. I call heaven and earth to witness against you today, that I have set before you life and death, blessing and curse. Therefore choose life, that you and your offspring may live. When making a decision, think about the long-term consequences. The right choice often leads to life, joy, and blessings, while the wrong one leads to destruction and sorrow. Follow your conscience. But whoever has doubts is condemned if he eats, because his eating is not from faith. And whatever does not proceed from faith is sin. If a decision causes you inner discomfort or contradicts your faith, it's better to avoid it. Your conscience is an important tool that helps you distinguish between good and evil. Seek advice from wise people. Where there is no guidance, a people falls, but in an abundance of counselors there is safety. Don't make important decisions alone. Seek advice from those who are more experienced, spiritually mature, or simply wise. Sometimes another person's perspective can help you see something you might have missed. Examine your motives. Therefore do not pronounce judgment before the time, before the Lord comes, who will bring to light the things now hidden in darkness and will disclose the purposes of the heart. Then each one will receive his commendation from God. Before making a decision, examine your intentions. Are you acting out of selfishness or for the benefit of others? The right choice is always connected with love and care for others. Avoid hasty decisions. The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty. Don't rush into important decisions. Carefully consider your options, gather information, and pray for God's guidance. Haste often leads to mistakes. Choose the path of righteousness. Then you will understand righteousness and justice and equity, every good path. The right choice always aligns with divine principles of righteousness, honesty, and fairness. Even if it seems difficult, remember that righteousness exalts a nation. Be prepared to make sacrifices. Whoever finds his life will lose it, and whoever loses his life for my sake will find it. Sometimes the right choice requires giving up something important to you. Be ready to sacrifice your desires for higher purposes, whether serving others or fulfilling God's will. Remember eternity. The end of the matter, all has been heard. Fear God and keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. For God will bring every deed into judgment, with every secret thing, whether good or evil. All our choices matter not only in this life but also in eternity. Consider how your decision aligns with God's will and his commandments. Examples from the Bible. Joseph faced a difficult choice when Potiphar's wife tried to seduce him. He chose to remain faithful to God, even at the cost of being imprisoned. This choice ultimately led him to greatness. Daniel decided not to defile himself with the king's unclean food. His loyalty to God brought him success and wisdom that amazed everyone around him. Peter and the Apostles. When they were commanded to stop speaking about Christ, they chose to obey God rather than men. This allowed them to continue spreading the gospel. Conclusion. Making the right choice requires not only knowledge of biblical principles but also a willingness to trust in God, even when his path seems difficult or unclear. God has given us the freedom to choose, but he also provides guidance through Scripture, prayer, and wise people. By applying these principles, you can move forward confidently, knowing that you are doing what pleases God.